Hello everyone! Welcome back to Janardhana Daily Home Decor. Today, I'm giving you a full tour of this stunning high-gloss kitchen with a gorgeous island. Wait till you see all the Let's start with this centerpiece island. Look at the glossy finish and modern design. It's not just stylish, but also super functional. Perfect for meal prep, casual dining, or even hosting guests. Notice the LED strip lighting underneath it gives such a warm and elegant glow. Now check out the cabinets and drawers. Every inch of storage is designed to keep your kitchen clean and organized. These high-gloss cabinets make the space look larger and reflect natural light beautifully. I love how easy it is to access everything without clutter. Lighting is key in any kitchen. Here, we have under-cabinet LEDs and ceiling lights that make the glossy surfaces shine. Even the small details, like the cabinet handles and countertop accessories, are carefully chosen to match the modern aesthetic. It's all about combining style with function. And here's the final look, a complete modern high-gloss kitchen with a functional island, smart storage, and elegant lighting. It's perfect for any home looking to combine luxury with practicality. Which part of this kitchen is your favorite, the island or the cabinets? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily home decor inspiration.